Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on differential equation, was taken from 1983 paper 1 question 7. As you know, 1983 even older than me. So, but let's look at how we can do this. Okay, so we are given that two variables, the dE is dx over dt, given by this equals to kx over 10 minus x, and that k is a constant. Take note that x is a positive value here, 0 to 10, and after which given that x equals to 1 when t is 0, so and x is 2 equals to when t is 1. So these two conditions will allow us to be able to solve the two unknowns in the d after we solve it, okay? Then after which we are asked to find the value of t when x is 5. Okay, that's pretty okay. So we're gonna, firstly, this is definitely separable, so this is kx over 10 minus x. So if I'll bring it over, remember this is a subject here, okay? Just bring over this 10 minus x over x dx dt equals to k. Then what we're going to do is actually just bring this dt over to the other side. So 10 minus x over x dx, and this will be k dt. Then we just complete the integral, okay? This is separable. So this integral here is like what we did in secondary school. Shouldn't be an issue. Here's is 10 minus x minus 1 dx. That's pretty fine. Then this is kt plus c. And that will give us 10 ln x minus 1 equals to kt plus c. Now what we need to do next is just replace these values in to solve for the two unknowns. So we have k and c, just take note of that. So when x equals to 1, and t equals to 0, and x equals to 2, x equals to 2, t equals to 1. Okay, so we're going to try and solve this. So this will be x equals to 1. So 10 ln 1 minus 1 equals k times 0 plus c. This will give us c equals to -1 on the issue. Then after which we're just going to sub the second condition here into the equation with the c, -1 here. So 10 ln 2 minus 1 equals to t, which is 1. So k minus 1. Oh, wow, is this -1? Okay. I make a mistake. I made a mistake. This is x. Yeah, this is x. So this will be 2, I believe. 2. It integrate it. So kt plus c. I hope this is correct. 10. Wait, then after which we know that k is equals to 10 ln 2 minus 1. Okay, just bring over. So there you go. I got all the variables there, but what I need now is essentially find t when x is 5. So I'm going to use this equation here, make t the subject. So t will just be n ln x minus c over k. So when x equals to 5, I'm going to replace all the solve unknown into the equation. And what we get is t equals to 10 ln 5 minus 5 minus c, actually -1, k, which is actually 10 ln minus 1. So I'm going to key all these things into calculator and hope for the best. So here what we get is 10 ln 5 minus 5 plus 1, which is 4. 10 ln 2 minus 1. And that will be 2.0390. So this will be 2.0390. It will be 2.04 PSF. Okay, so that is how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know and I'll see you in the next question.